Welcome. Today we're going to learn about silence and then apply some other effects on Audacity. So let's play this and see how the whole thing looks like from the screen. About noise, silence, and then yes. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to learn about noise, silence, and then yes, going on, yeah. All right, so this is what we're going to learn about today, about the silence. Now, when something like this happens, and maybe it can be long, 1 hour or so, and you can see that there are a lot of silence here, silence there and about. There are some effect that you can apply. You double click to select all, or Control A to select, or you can even come to select and click all to select. So after you have selected it, you go to the effect and then apply whatever you want to apply. Alright, so this is where we are going to apply truncate silence. Okay, before we do the truncation, let's see the length of it's about 14.5 thereabout. So if you apply the truncate silence, see so as it is now, just leave it as it is and then click OK. Yeah, so it is now reduced by about 5 seconds instead of 14 thereabout. So as it is now, let's play and see. Ladies and gentlemen, to learn this, and then yes, going on, yeah. So that is it. So it has removed some of the noise here, although there are some noise there. And then let me apply some of the effects I want to apply today for us to hear. So as I align this side and I apply the effect of echo. So let me apply echo. And then let me preview how the echo looks like. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me apply more. Okay, so let me apply the echo effect and then preview it. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow, so this is it. Apply the effect. So as it is, we can also apply another effect, like say, as it is selected. Let me go to filter curve. Filter curve. Formerly, it is EQ, equalizer in Audacity, but this time it is filter curve. So apply this effect. The effect has inbuilt effect. So click the here and then factory preset. So let me apply the walkie-talkie and see how the walkie-talkie effect looks like. Let me preview it and see. Ladies and gentlemen. You see? Ladies and gentlemen. Good. Can apply another effect like AM radio. No, AM radio doesn't have a lot of treble. So let me. Ladies and gentlemen. And see. Again. Ladies and gentlemen. So that is the AM effect. Let us apply another effect and see how it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to do about treble boost, bass boost, and then the bass boost. So when you play it and see, ladies and gentlemen, the bass boost. So this is the bass boost curve, but you can apply it. Let me preview it and see how it looks like. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we can also do some adjustment here, but this is beyond this thing. So maybe I will do a video on that. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, so you can still apply the treble boost. So this is the treble boost as well. And then you preview it and see. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so these are some of the effects that you can make the sound quality and then to reduce some noise. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So it is very clear that if you apply most of the effects, there are a lot of effects which we will be working on it later. So like I said, there are a lot of effects. Like if you click here, you see a lot of effects. Come here also, there are a lot of effects which you apply. You can also normalize it. Yes, I've forgotten to, let me highlight this place and then apply the normalization to normalize the so yeah, this is like this, and let me so let's play it and see how that one's looking. And then yes, going on, yeah. Okay, so this is how to normalize. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. So subscribe and then let's hear your comments as well. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye for now.